Creating a video is one thing, creating a quality video is another. To create a video as a YouTuber requires just one major thing, which is a working camera. Be it a point and shoot, a webcam, or a phone camera. But over time, as you grow in your YouTube journey, you will discover that in order to put out good quality content, there are tools you need to create quality video faster and better. Hi, my name is Kevin Aladi from Mediatron, where we help you optimize your brand and business with video. In this video, I will show you 8 video production budget tools you need to buy to produce good quality videos. And by budget, I mean they are tools that are very good and yet they are inexpensive. You don't have to buy them all at once. You can acquire them little by little. Also, at the end of this video, in addition to the 8 tools, I have 3 more bonus tools that I think you should get that will help you produce good videos. Alright guys, let's jump into the video. So number 1 is a no-brainer. You need some kind of camera, either a phone or a DSLR. Basically for this, as a beginner, I'll always say start with whatever you have. Be it a phone, a point and shoot, or a DSLR. Whatever it is, that has a circle and a red dot in between, start with it. However, when that time comes and you decide it is time to invest in a camera, these are good cameras you can consider depending on what kind of videos you're creating. So if you're creating this type of videos like the one I'm doing now, also known as talking head, I recommend you get a Canon M50 Mark I or Mark II. If you're into the run and gun type of YouTube videos, well, I will recommend you get the Canon G7X Mark III. But if you're doing a bit of vlogging, a bit of sitting down and talking and also showing off products, B-rolls, then the Sony ZV-1 is for you. There are other kinds of cameras you can get for different or all types of videos. And in my recommendation list are the Sony Alpha A6600 and the GoPro Hero 9, both of which are beginner cameras that you can get at a reasonable price. If you guys want me to do a detailed video on best beginner and pro cameras for YouTube creators in 2021, please let me know in the description box below if it's something you guys will be interested in. Alright, number 2. So number 2 is a microphone. For me, a microphone is very, very important. Your audio quality will help level up the quality of your videos. For me, audio is the most important piece of your video. If your viewers can't hear you and your audio is too noisy and with too much echo, it becomes distracting for your audience, and by default, they are going to do what? Switch off. But on the other hand, if you have good quality audio and something happens to the video piece, trust me, you could still use the audio and still create a video. You can use stock footages, photos, B-rolls, etc. and you will still be able to create a piece of content. But if you've got it the other way around and you have a great video but bad audio, then you're not going to be able to create an effective video out of the materials you have. Although this is dependent on the type of video you're planning to create. There are different types of microphones out there. There are lavalier mics, shotgun mics, and wireless microphones. I have 3 go-to microphones for you. The first one is the wired lapel microphone, which is what I'm using right now. It sells for about $30 and it's called the Boya BY-M1 microphone. Now, this microphone is what I use for most of my videos. It is an amazing microphone and it will work straight out of the box with your computer, your cameras, and with your phone. If you are interested in the microphone, I have a detailed video on this microphone, so feel free to check that out. I have it linked up here. So take note, iPhone 12 users, you will need this, to connect it to your camera, and then this to the microphone. Okay, so next is a shotgun microphone. If you do not want to be physically connected to the camera, or you want, the ability to move around without cables and everything getting in the way, then a shotgun microphone could be the option for you. This is the one that I have. I've had it for some time now. However, I won't recommend this model because Rode shotgun microphones have evolved over the years, and at present they have good collections of great microphones. They have this little shotgun microphone called the Rode Video Micro, and it sells for about $50, and it is great for picking up audio from the direction. Let's say this is your camera, from the direction the microphone is pointing. The third one is the wireless microphone. Now, this will let you move more further away from your camera and you will still get great audio. I also have the Boya wireless microphone, but on this channel, I will only recommend what I know is cheap, but at the same time good for its purpose. I will recommend this for wireless. My number one recommendation here is the Rode Wireless Go, and it sells for about $200. Number 3, lights. Now, lighting is another critical element in video production. Lighting will not only illuminate the video, but it will also make it look good and sometimes create moods like this. Lighting will make it easy for your viewers to consume your content. You want to make sure that whoever is on the camera or whatever the subject of your video is well lit so that it is easy for your viewers to connect and engage with. Now, there are some great budget lights you can get. Number 1 is the softbox light. Number 2 is the ring light. And number 3 is the red head light. The softbox lights are great. If I'm asked to pick just one budget light that will flatter both the skin and your set, I will always go for the softbox light. However, the ring lights and the red head lights are great, and they all come with controls to control the intensity of the light. Number 4 is your video intro. This is something you can easily create and add to your video if you're familiar with editing and Adobe After Effects. Or you can go ahead and pay, an editor like me lots of cash, to edit one for you. But considering you're a beginner, I would recommend you use the link in my description box below and go to a fantastic site called Placeit. This is where you can purchase a template for as little as $9 or about 3,500 naira, and you can easily customize them live on their website with all your fonts, your logos, branding to make it yours. So Placeit is designed to make it easy for you to create your video intro, and also you will get a lot of video elements, social media elements, and other things that you can create there as well. So they start at around $9, but you can get a subscription that starts at $14.95 a month or $99, a year. This will give you access to all the templates on their platform. Now, number 5 is a teleprompter. A teleprompter is an amazing tool for helping you create videos faster. Whether you are just going to, read from dot points, or whether you are going to have the full script that you are going to read out word for word, a teleprompter is really going to help you speed up your filming by keeping you on topic and also reducing the number of takes and mistakes that you have, which also means it's going to speed up your editing as well. Presently, I don't have a teleprompter now, so I have been freestyling all this while. However, I just ordered for one and should be coming in anytime soon. So number 6 is very important. If you're creating videos with your iPhone or Android phone, you need to get a phone app called Filmic Pro. This is a very important app if you want to assess the professional capacity of your phone by allowing you to use the DSLR settings, professional camera settings on your phone. It is usually better than the built-in camera app settings on your phone. You can get Filmic Pro from App Store or your Play Store for around $14.99. If you are someone who really needs the advanced setting expected from a professional DSLR camera, then you should get one. Bonus tip for Android users: you can get another good camera app called Open Camera, and you can get it for free. With this app, you will get some advanced settings almost like Filmic Pro. So this is bonus number 1. Number 2 and number 3 is at the end of the video, so keep watching. All right, let's go to number 7. Number 7 is a tripod or any form of camera mount. There are different types of tripod out there, from the very little one to the smaller phone mount, the mini tripod for phones, and the semi-professional DSLR tripod. Whichever one you're able to get, the motive is for you to have a steady platform to mount your camera. Now, before we go to the bonus tools, please don't forget to subscribe. In fact, subscribe now before I go to the final tips. All right, so bonus tip number 2, we're back to the bonus tip. So for the bonus, we have music subscription. Having good music in your video can be huge for keeping your viewers interested and engaged in your content, but also putting out the feeling you want your viewers to have while they are watching your videos. Now, if you ever search for music, you will find there are lots of different options, and a lot of different places, but finding good music and finding it fast and easy can be a major headache. Some of you will say, I will just go to the internet and download. Well, you're setting yourself up for copyright infringement claims. My recommended website for music with simple licensing, so you don't need to worry about copyright issues, or is Epidemic Sound. The website is amazing and it is very easy for you to find your music fast with the adequate licensing you need. Epidemic Sound has plans starting from $15 a month. As a content creator on YouTube, you need to be very mindful and careful of the materials you use, especially songs, because if you use a song and you do not have the right copyright licensing, you will end up having copyright issues, and that will translate to you losing whatever revenue that eventually starts coming into that video. If you're looking for extra footage to put in your videos, such as B-roll footage, overlay footage, that nice drone shot, time lapse or sunrise, then you can find it in a stock video library, and my top recommendation is Storyblock. These videos can help you explain stuffs in your video. It can also help you cover up mistakes. Adding these footages will also make your videos look more interesting and engaging. That way, people will watch your videos much longer. So bottom line, Storyblock is a great investment for having more footages you did not record yourself. Also, with this, you won't also run into copyright issues. So guys, that's my list of top 7 things to buy and make better videos faster and more engaging. And if this video helped you, or you just somehow by any slim chance like my ugly face, then make sure to tap on that like button, click on the subscribe button and punch that bell beside the subscribe button, so that way it won't forget to remind you when next I release another informative and interesting video like this. See you guys in the next video. I'm out of here.